installed this quick weave 6 days ago. I can't do it. I cannot. I don't know how y'all do it, but this itching, I gotta take it out. So let's take this out and I'm gonna do a wig install. If your quick weave isn't in one piece, then baby, it was not installed right at all. Now that that's over with, let's get into this wig install. So of course I went ahead and washed and braided my hair down off camera. I like to go in with the glue. I don't keep my wigs in long, so I probably did like 2 layers of glue. And then I blow dry until it's clear. Once it's clear, I go ahead and start placing the lace down. And look, this is the best hack ever. Use a hard brush, a bristle brush, whatever you want to call it, and brush the lace into the glue for the best hold. I promise you, it works. Once that's done, I go ahead and place my lace band on and let that sit while I style the hair. So I go in with my wax, but I don't like that sticky, cakey look, so I don't do too much with it. And the hot comb is definitely your best friend to get your hair sleek and flat. So you'll see me going in a few times. Honestly, I wasn't sure what style I was going for, so I was just constantly hot combing until I got it to my liking. Since it is deep wave hair, I did go in with the water. After about 30 minutes, I do go ahead and take the band off. Sometimes I cut the ear tabs off after or before. I do go in with both the razor or the scissors, either or work as long as it's a zigzag motion. I know it's a big thing about this kiss spray. Some say it works, some say it don't, but for me, it definitely works as long as you apply it right and use enough of it. After the spray, I do go ahead and reband it. Sometimes I might blow dry it, sometimes I don't. And then back again with the styling. So this is a few hours later because I didn't finish and I came back and restarted. It's important to clip them ends on these wigs and bundles. Then I'm working on my baby hairs, which I usually don't do anymore, and sideburns. I do like to give natural and not too much. I don't like to do too much. I don't like too much dramatic with anything. Not my lashes, my hair, nails, makeup, nothing. But yeah. I did go in with the diffuser to dry the hair. I didn't fully dry it. I'll say I did get it to like 75%. And that's it, y'all. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I do respond. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.